Hi everyone, it's Miss Cheek. I wanted to set up today's lesson a little differently because I haven't heard from you guys regarding any of your assignments or the information that I assigned last week. The first thing I want you to do is to log in to this Harford County Public Schools Buzz page. You need to start completing assignments. Any assignment or class completed for this or on this platform counts towards graduation. So if you are a senior and trying to graduate on whatever day they've decided, this is what will allow that. Secondly, if you are an underclassman, so if you're a junior and you're making up a course trying to get into a senior English class or trying to walk this year, this class counts. You need to complete 4 English classes before you can graduate, even with the waivers from the state. So you need to complete these assignments. You only need a 60%, but they need to be done. The second thing is last week I sent you guys a YouTube video of the lesson that you missed. No one watched it, which makes me like the least popular YouTuber ever. Let's fix that this week. Go back, watch the video from last week, and then watch through this on how to create an outline for your argumentative essay. Okay, so here is the organizer that I'm going to send to you. The instructions say type directly onto the document. The outline will help you organize your argument before you try to write about it. Please make your text a different color or style so that I can clearly identify your words. The first thing that you are going to need to do on your argument organizer is your claim. What you need to make sure is if your claim is bold and something that 2 reasonable people could argue about. If you chose a claim from the list that I sent you, your claim will fit those. And all you need to do is type it here. What we are going to do is look back at the essay drinking problem from last week. Okay, so a drinking problem, we went through and we annotated this. So I'm going to scroll down to that. Oh, wrong one. Sorry. Okay, so we put a star right here on the claim. So the claim said such laws are wise and should be approved through the nation because products bring more harm than good to teens. Again, talking about energy drinks and kids drinking those. So let's go back and put that onto our argumentative essay. Making laws such as banning energy drinks is good because it protects American citizens. So that is what her claim is. Making laws against energy drinks is a good idea. Now we are going to go down and look at her reasons. And we are looking for 3 reasons. Remember that you're going to type in your why here, and then you're going to back it up with evidence. So let's flip back. If you're looking for a quick way to flip between tabs, if you click on, or if you hold down the Alt button and click Tab, it'll take you to the last page that you were on. You can just scroll down here. We're going to look at this middle paragraph right here. If you'll recall, we underlined our reasons and highlighted our evidence. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these back into our organizer. Chemicals are poisoning the youth, and our evidence is from Brenda, Alfonsi, and Sifferlin. You want to make sure, right, I have it right here, that you keep track of your research citations. You'll need those for a works cited at the end of your essay. Okay? And then she goes through and she gives her second reason and her third reason. And in her third reason, she does what I have just highlighted for you down at the bottom. She does her counterclaim. How many counterclaims are you going to include? If you go back now and include them into your reasons, remember you can include small counterclaims in each paragraph or one big counterclaim in the last paragraph. So if you remember back to a drinking problem, our student put in one giant counterclaim at the end. It's circled here in red. Critics propose the law of the proposed law change argue that there is already too much government intervention in people's lives and that teens are mature enough to spend their own money as they wish. We are going to put that into our outline. Teens are capable of making their own choices. Then we are going to refute that. She refutes that by saying, just like cigarettes and alcohol, energy drinks impair, physically impair, oh my goodness, I can't type today. Impact, let's just change it to impact students. And then she gives her evidence below. Full look. So we have this highlighted right here. Oh, it doesn't have a citation. Strange. Where do you think she found this information? You can find that down at the bottom. As you look at her works cited page, which is back up here. Okay? So that is how you find that information. And finally, you'll look down at the bottom. When one considers health risks, financial implications, and legal precedent, it is clear that approving this new legislation is the right move. I want you to try that for your concluding sentence. When considering the first, second, and third reasons she provided, it is clear that this conclusion statement restates your thesis without just re-saying your point. So this is how you put together your very own argument outline. You are going to do this for your information. This week, to have assignments taken off, you are going to find your evidence for your 3 reasons. Okay? And then email this document back to me. I can take assignments off, what you need to complete for the online course, because this directly relates to those. And finally, I want to give you just a quick reminder again. If you go up here, it is hcps.agilixbuzz.com.